Alright, we're going to give this a go. I don't know how well this is going to go, but we're going to try our best. Anyways, here we are. We are here. Pop out that chat. There we go. And we can pop out this one as well. Pop out chat. Got it. Alright, I am streaming on my old gaming laptop right now because yeah, PC is deciding to poop out on me at the moment, which is not great. So bear with me at the beginning of this, trying to get the chats up. This thing is so out of date, it's unreal. It's like trying to watch Steve Harvey try to dance. It's not fantastic. Anyways, we're gonna go dive into Bitcoin. We're gonna do all that. Good evening, Stefan. Good evening. How are you? Wow, every time I click on something, I get blank screen. That's not good. Huh. Interesting. Oh, shoot. Okay, we got our chats up. I'm just going to start diving into the charts. We're good. We're good. Actually, I want these chats to be big. I want to really see them. We can put it right there. Adam 500, good evening, bro. The volume is a little low, by the way. Volume's low? Damn it. I don't think I can actually turn it up. Damn it. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, I'm maxed out on my volume here. So the best I can do is just try my best to be very close to my microphone. Sadly. But bear with me. I'll have it figured out by tomorrow. I will have it figured out by tomorrow. But anyways, let's go up to Bitcoin real fast. I just needed to get this stream out, so it's going to be a rough one. It's going to be a rough one. Bitcoin on the pullback. The news had to get out there. So looking at your daily on Bitcoin, we can see the pullbacks happening. We still have a bit of downside that could happen before we hit our support level, sitting at 65,850. So with that being said, we might see a little more of a pull tonight, maybe into tomorrow. Maybe it bleeds into tomorrow, but I'm guessing Wednesday or Thursday we could be breaking out of this bad boy, which would be kind of nice. Kind of nice. Checking your 1 hour. 1 hour's little cooked, looking like you're going to go down. So any degen out there trying to trade this, we do have fib retracement levels we could be using. Please, for the love of Jim, have my settings. Yes! Sorry, I'm excited about that. We got the settings. Alrighty. So you can see we pulled back to our 50% retrace. We then found our 618 acting as resistance. And it's a perfect measurement down to 65.50 or 65.850. So I am guessing that's probably going to play out. I just have to go with what's right in front of me. So if we are going to see this play out, we still have about a 2.16% downside for Bitcoin. Not that bad in the grand scheme of things. Not that bad. Let's go ahead and check out Ethereum real fast. Where are you, ETH? Right there. So Ethereum, broke back in as well. Too bad. Too bad. Checking your daily on Ethereum. So did we hit the measured move that I was looking for? Shoot. I took that thing down. I don't know if we did it, but we're finding a lot of resistance at this 2,713 level. And now we're back in the structure. This is kind of disappointing because it opens a lot of doors for coming all the way down to your 50 simple moving average. We have a couple local levels of support. So we do have this right here and this right here. So 2 levels of support below you. Looks like we're trying to find some support off 2,600, which is great. But We'll just see if it holds. You still have a very high stochastic on the daily. This thing could grind out for like a week or two, and it wouldn't be that weird. Well, it would be a little weird because we're in October, but I think also Wall Street is trying to be cautious, quote unquote, for the earnings this week because I believe the one I'm mostly looking forward to is on Thursday, I believe, which is UPS. So UPS, that will be a big earnings report in my eyes because it'll give us signs of not only the U.S. economy but the global economy. And if globe is hurting, then yeah, actually we know the globe's hurting. We know that because all the central banks are lowering their interest rates way faster than the U.S. But U.S. hits recession and it hurts the world. Let's check out BNB token. Did we get it? So we're currently sitting right on top of that former demand line. It's looking better than Bitcoin and Ethereum because you're still sitting outside of it on the daily. That's really nice to see. You're about to get a golden cross on the daily as well. Probably in the next day or two, you're going to see it. So keep your eyes on BNB. BNB is looking rather strong. You have a high stochastic. You're not overbought. Let's see. Your 4 hours reset, and you're bouncing off of your 50 simple moving average. I think Binance token's ready to go on a 9% run, and nobody's going to pay attention to it. Possible 10%. But yeah, nobody's going to pay attention to it. It kind of is what it is. But yeah, that actually looks really good. Dogecoin. We are consolidating. We are consolidating. I love that it has that little dancing Doge right there. That's great. But this is a great consolidation level. It's like a flat line. So you can trade this thing top to bottom, until it breaks out. You're still waiting for that move to 18 cents. But until then, it's fully in play. We could get a back test back down here at 12,873. So that being said, keep those stop losses tight on Dogecoin if you're trying to enter a trade with it. Let's see, what was the other one that we started looking at? Solana. Oh, great. My eye hurts now. That's fun. Solana. So Solana still showing its strength. And we got as high as 171. Came dangerously close to hitting that 174 level. We are still looking to get there. So Solana is looking like the absolute darling of the big caps right now. If we can get above this 174, my target is still sitting at 226 or 225. So Solana's looking extremely strong. Love to see it. 4 hour, you're reset already. Checking your 1 hour. 1 hour is looking like it wants to go up tonight. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let's check out one of the trades I'm in, and I need to find another trade tonight. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a much better day than me. When I tried to turn my PC on, oh my gosh, I like freaked out because it wouldn't do it. Luckily, I have this gaming PC still that I just haven't turned on in years. Turned it on, and I was like, oh my gosh, it works. We're good. So of course, I did the easy troubleshoot. I unplugged everything from the PC and plugged it right into the laptop. Laptop's working. That's all I care about. But I gotta go get the PC checked out. Make sure it's okay. Maybe I'm gonna jump into the YouTube University tomorrow. See if I can fix it before I go take it in. Has anybody taken their PC to get fixed before? Yeah, it's annoying. Anyways, FTM, this one I'm staring at intently. So let's go ahead and check it out on the daily. This is why I'm looking at it, because it looks very strong. On your daily, you are not overbought. Your stochastic has given you some room, but it does look like it gave us a bullish cross, gave us a bearish cross. Looks like it wants to cross bullish again. The downside, this wick right here makes this candle look absolutely terrible. But the positive, it's not bearish engulfing. Considering Bitcoin pulled back pretty darn hard this morning, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Checking out your 4 hour. 4 hour stochastic is reset. Relative strength sitting in neutral territory. You just got your second little bar of negative momentum. Reminded me a lot of back here. You got two red bars, then you had a light red bar here before you saw a great rally. So you saw this happen, which I am wondering if this is about to flip to the upside, just like it kind of did here. So we're waiting and seeing, but we are above the 50 simple moving average, finding support off of it, which is a really big deal after all that sell pressure today. Let's go down to the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, it does look like you want to try and go down lower. So if we do continue our descent, we are probably most likely going to test the 72.33 level. If we do hold that, I mean, if we go down there, we could break out, don't get me wrong, but if we go down there, then that might be a very good point at getting into a long. Your measured move right now, based off fib levels, is coming up here to 83.64, but I wouldn't see why we would stop there. More likely going to get up to 92 cents on FTM eventually. Just we need the market to start playing some ball. Rich, yep, volume. Hey, I'm trying. Is my volume really that low? Hold on, let me. To get up to 90. Do I really sound that low? On FTM eventually. Just we need the market to start playing some ball. Rich, yep, volume. Hey, I'm trying. Is my volume that low? Is my volume really that low? No idea. I cannot hear myself. That's terrible. Oh, wait. I muted myself. Great. Awesome. No I cannot hear myself. That's terrible. Oh, wait. What speakers are we using out here, dude? I do not know. Gosh. Maybe this was a terrible idea. Because, like, you can see my mic's right here. You can see it. It's in my face. And my volume's all the way up. Not so bad. I have my headphones to max. You sound normal. Oh, I sound normal. Oh, you have to turn it up to max for me to sound normal. Damn it. Yeah, I got to get this PC figured out faster than ever. Because I don't know what's up with this thing, but I can't get the audio any better. At least that I have figured out yet. Shit. It's better when I talk into it. Oh, man. I'm going to have to go get my boom. I'm not doing that tonight. I'm not doing that tonight. Yeah, I like to set it on my desk. So that's where it normally sits. Let's see, here's your receiver. Let's raise this bad boy up. Right there. Maybe that helps if I raise it up toward my mouth. And we'll go from there. Now it's in my face. Now we get to see it. Anyways. So. FTM, actually it's resetting on the 15. I do like this trade a lot more now. The only part that's holding me back is this 1 hour. Because your 1 hour, it's indecisive. I don't like indecision. I do like breakouts, though. So if you were to try and take this trade, you'd have to go with a little bit lower of leverage, which I'm not for that either. Actually, what's our 5 minute look like? 5 minute looks great. Maybe we can go for it. Get a stop loss below these lows. Actually, below this here. We're gonna take a chance on it. I'm already in a extremely small trade for it, but we're gonna increase our trade here. Oh, that's cool. It blanks out how much I have available. I didn't even know I could do that. Nice. We'll go right there. Alrighty. So now we're in the negative. No big deal. Why does this look like the 1 minute? It is the 1 minute. That's why. Okay, cool. All right, we're in this trade now. I think I need to adjust my stop loss because my liquidation price is higher. 6953 liquidation price. No, we're actually good. We're actually good. Where's my stop loss? I want a tighter stop loss though for while I'm sleeping. So IPQ432. Thank you so much. Wait, I'm muted? Hold on, what? I'm muted. Have I used Marge X to trade? I did use Marge X to trade. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not muted. What are you talking about? You have Discord? Yes, it is in the links on this page. IPQ432. Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate you over there on Twitch. If you have any requests, feel free to drop them. I am currently not streaming on my normal stream setup, so things are a little janky today. It will be better tomorrow. I stream daily. Is there a way to add to a trade without lowering the leverage? I'm not all the way sure because I never do that. I usually just market buy it. Yeah, actually, yeah, you just market buy in. It'll automatically add to your trade. In what coin you invest? A lot of them. A lot of them. That's my answer to that. A lot of them. But right now we are live trading, and I'm trading FTM right now. Because FTM, I believe, is going to go up a lot. Oh, this feels so janky. What's my opinion on Litecoin? My opinion on the coin or what the chart looks like? Because we can do both. I can check out the chart. I can tell you my opinion. My opinion, that thing in comparison to Bitcoin is absolute garbage. But do I think it can go up right now? Yes. Yes, I do. You're doing all in for Litecoin? That's interesting. Interesting. We're going to check out the chart just for you. We're going to check out that chart. Let me just get the stop loss real fast. 7153 is where I want my stop loss. Right here. I guess 715. We'll do that. Let's change this to my triggers. 715. Where are you? Right here. 715. 15. And yeah, there we go. That's not for my whole position. That could be a problem. Hold on. That could be a real problem. We're going to cancel both of these. That could be a big time problem. Oh boy. 715. Okay. Whole position. That did not work. It opened a new trade. Margex does the open new trade nonsense? That's crazy. Yeah, I get it. I get it. I get it. Take profit. We're taking profit at 82. I'm playing this thing by the book. All week long, playing it by the book. We're going to see exactly how much we can get. I'm going to take less risky trades just in case I need to buy a new PC. I'm going to make the crypto market pay for it. 8363. 8363. So we're looking for 195% upside. Could be nice. Could be nice. So I figure for a new PC, maybe this time around, we'll probably go for a $2,000 PC. Maybe. Considering PCs nowadays cost so damn much. Can we check Assemble AI? Sure. Right after we check out Litecoin. LTC, where you at? Here's Litecoin. So Litecoin coming out to your daily. Well, difficult thing, Litecoin is rejecting off of its 200 daily moving average. That's kind of a shame. How did you add to one you just did? I cannot see your face. My face is in the way. No, on weeks, you just market buy in. It automatically adds to your position. So, Rich, I'm just going to say, link is in the description below if you want a much better trading experience, as well as way better withdrawals. Margex kind of pissed me off with that the other day, but way better withdrawals. Go to weeks. Yeah, Margex, they have a withdrawal window. It is between 12 and 14 UTC. That makes me angry. I don't like that at all. I actually really hate that, and that normally will get me to stop using exchanges. I don't like that at all. But yeah, Rich, all I did was add to my position by just buying in. I'm in New York State. Is it KYC? No. All exchanges that I promote, no KYC, no VPN. Definitely worth joining. LPQ 432. Looks like you're holding your supply line right now. This is actually a very good thing. Good looks on Kaspa. Went flying today. Oh, Kaspa went flying today? I didn't even pay attention. If I'm being honest, I had no idea. But nice. Love to hear it. We'll check out Kaspa after we check out Assemble AI. I took the trade also. You took the trade on Kaspa? Nice. You recommend me sell or buy Solana or hold? I would say hold. But I can never give any financial advice. I can just give you my opinion based off what the charts look like, because this is all for entertainment, and I am not a financial advisor. You guys like that? Saved my ass there. Oh my god, I almost gave out financial advice. That would have been terrible. So, Litecoin going down to your 4 hour. 4 hours fully reset. You're trying to regain your 50 simple moving average. Very simply put, as long as you can stay on the supply line, even if you fall further, which I don't know if a further fall is coming. Maybe you find some support sitting right around here. Maybe you find some support there because it was acting as so much resistance. You play Minecraft? I do not play Minecraft. It could be a great spot for longs to be looking to jump in, because what was formerly resistance could become support. I'm already on Kaspa. Nice. FTM. Oh, you took the FTM trade? Nice. Stefan, we're going to make some money. That's all I'm saying. We're going to make some money, bro. Damn it. I don't have my link for tips. Leave a tip. By the way, guys, if you guys ever feel like supporting me and the Make Porky Richer Foundation, we actually have a monthly subscription in Discord. You don't get anything besides my gratitude, but it's $10 a month. So there's that. Anyways, so looking at Litecoin, if you can get down to the 68.13, might be a very good spot to get into a long. Your stop loss would be somewhere around here at 64.20, and then take profit. Me personally, I wouldn't be looking at 77 unless you're looking for small scalp trades, but I'd be looking for this 113 to 118 level, which it definitely could lead you to a possible 66 to 73% upside. I should have listened to you with the short of Turbo. Nobody listens to me. I'm just out here looking at charts every day. Even going live on my old janky ass setup. Seriously, I was using this laptop during the pandemic. Oh my gosh, it was my first ever time streaming, and I was playing video games while live streaming. This laptop kicks ass, but it's old, so now it's really only good for looking at charts, if I'm being honest. But yeah, no, it's fun to be back on the laptop. Just kind of sucks I can't figure out what's wrong with the PC. All right, what were we supposed to look at next? Assemble AI. Assemble AI to US dollar. Is this the way I looked at it? ASM, that's what it is. This is the way I looked at it. So Assemble AI, you're still consolidating. You're looking to find some support, more than likely coming back down to 3232 or 3127. If you can hold those levels, then you can look for a chance to test this demand line for the third time. From there, I mean, kind of looks like a bull flag, and if it is a bull flag, you're looking for a lower low. So that part's kind of a, this is a really hard trade to get into. 4 hour is reset, but you're in no man's land, so you got to be careful. You sold your position while it was going down, managed to make 6,600. Nice, Stefan, nice. Love to hear that. Love to hear that, brother. So yeah, ASM might get a bounce, but you're not on support, so I would not be trying to get into any longs. I'd be waiting. Your spots to get into trades: demand line or support. Demand line, go short. Support, go long. It's kind of all I got for you on this one. God, my eye hurts. Why? Maybe I need more water. I've only finished a gallon of water today. Yeah. Only got a gallon of water in today. Kind of a problem. Kind of a problem. My eyeballs hurt. So that's what I see out of Assemble AI. Sorry I can't tell you much more about it, but we do look at it like every stream, so, you know, the more we stare at the same thing, it's just not doing much right now. Just consolidating. All right, after this, we are looking for, damn, this chat is way smaller. Casper. Where are you at, Cass? There you are. I thought you said Casper pumped today. The fuck? This ain't a pump. What I think about BTC today? I think it still has a little bit more to go down. I still think it has a little bit more, but it's looking decent. It's not that bad. Who said Cass pumped today? Good looks on Caspa. Went flying today. Were you trading it on the 1 minute? Cass didn't go anywhere. Cass didn't do shit. I'm still looking for this second test. Thanks, I appreciate it. It's a risky one in my port. Oh, it's a risky one in your portfolio? Nice, nice. Yeah, as long as you're still consolidating and you don't make lower highs and lower lows consecutively, you're good. You're fine. Wait until it makes, like, breaks some form of support, and then go from there. Also, this stream delay, I'm now seeing it. Bro, you guys are behind, like, I swear, 30 seconds. It's a big delay. I gotta change my stream delay. It's because when I first started streaming, I was gaming a lot, so that 30-second delay was actually really helpful. So Caspa, you're actually getting really high on your stochastic on the daily. You're super low on your relative strength. Looks like you're probably going to test the demand line and then get your second test down here on the supply line. If it holds on the second test, that's going to be the place where you're going to see crazy amounts of longs come in, because your upside potential is absolutely crazy. It is absolutely crazy. I mean, even just testing the top of this channel again, you could be looking at something like 70% upside. So Caspa, it's still sitting in a really good spot. It's just you need the bids to come in. Just need those bids to come in. Let's see. Taking a look at Turbo. Turbo. Where's Turbo? Turbo. Turbo was a great short. Oh my god. Such a good short run there. That wick, though, that was terrible. But no, good short. 10% downside. It's still sitting there. Looking like it's trying to catch some bids. I don't trust that one bit. I'm thinking it's going to keep coming down. But daily is looking pretty good for a possible rally coming off that 94064. So keep those alerts. Keep those alerts for that level. Yeah, you can see we were in this downtrend. We tried to break out. That 50 simple just held us down and kept going. So now we can readjust our demand line right here. Oh, we're even respecting it. Nice. You opened a 20x long on CAS earlier on the dip. Up 50%, but thinking of closing it in case it retraces. Might be solid. Solid option if you're. So once again, I see Bitcoin probably going to pull back a little bit. That's going to be the opportunity for all these altcoins to get their retracements. It's very hard for altcoins to retrace when Bitcoin's going up. It's extremely hard. So just keep that in mind when you're making your trades. It's very hard for them to go up while Bitcoin's rallying. Get rid of this. That doesn't matter anymore. And we also could just redraw this to here. So we're going to maintain both of these supply lines now because it looks like that's playing out. But relative strength is now getting low. That's nice to see. Checking out the 1 hour for Turbo. Oh, there it is. Turbo says we will go down. We will go down on this day. High stochastic on the 1 hour, showing the sell pressure is there. So Turbo looking like it still has another 4% downside before you can consider jumping into a long. But at that level, that's the level that you're looking to hold. So at that level, you would then look toward more than likely jumping up, back up to this 108589, because it is a meme coin, and meme coins, they know how to fly. They know how to fly. So what you want to see is like trace down here, move up here, and then back test this level one more time. So these are what like range bound traders really like to find, because you can jump into this, you're like, oh, I got a nice little 4% downside. And then all of a sudden, I got 15% upside. Then we got 13% downside. And they're like, these were 3 trades all in the exact same token. Oh my God. And then you follow it all back with, hey, that was a breakout and a back test of a bull flag. So then all of a sudden, where could it go after the back test? You're looking at something kind of like this, where it just starts flying like a rocket, getting to new all-time highs, sitting at that. Why do I have 36%? Oh, I know why. Because of this. Right there. That's why I have it there. So you could end up anywhere between this 143151 and 148448. Possibilities are there. I'm just thinking it could do something like that just to really throw people off. That's a 51 to a 57% upside move. Re-enter in Turbo long, and I'm up 88%. Nice. How are you in a long right now on Turbo and you're making money? I'm so confused because it's just trending down. Did you manage to get in at the absolute low and ride it up here? That's wild. That's wild if you caught that. Actually wild. But that's what I'm seeing out of Turbo right now. Now let's move on. Checking out Bitcoin again. Did somebody ask for... think somebody mentioned something about Solana. Hold on. Yeah. LQ LQP, are you still here? If you're still here, we can take a look at Solana while we're down here. Yes, that's wild. You caught that low. That is wild. You caught that low. But it looks like you're gonna catch another low. Looking like it. So recommend buying Solana. I see that. I wouldn't buy it right here. The place to buy it was back down here at 149. When you back tested your former level of resistance as support, that was the place to buy it. But your target's still 174. I've been staring at this for like 2 weeks. 174 is the target here. 174. Bitcoin. What are we doing? What we got going on? So Bitcoin, you can see on the 1 hour, we do have these high stochastics, but it looks like they're trying to get some bids going. Only problem I have is you have overhead resistance sitting right here. That was your long-term overhead resistance. I would have much preferred to just stay out of it. Since we did break back in and we've already back tested it once, maybe we get a second back test. But I'm looking for a test down here at 65.85. 65,850 would be a very good back test. Would be a fantastic place to actually catch some bids, and it would more than likely reset your daily stochastic, which would be even better. You have a massive bearish engulfing candle on the daily, so that is indicating further downside could be happening. Maybe we have a green day tomorrow and a red day Wednesday, but who knows? Who knows? I just know this crazy pullback right here, as mentioned on Sunday, U.S. selling things off, just kind of what they do. They always, oh, you guys rallied over the weekend? That's great. Sell. I mean, it's crazy, but that's just all the U.S. has been doing, selling things off. Probably because Wall Street knows exactly what's up, and they're like, we're not going up. We are in deep recession, and unless we start printing out of nowhere, we are effed. Yeah, markets are not so great right now. They're really not. All right, so that's it so far for the requests. We're going to check out Chiliz real quick because I'm interested in Chiliz. I am personally interested in Chiliz. Look at what was once used as resistance. We have not tried to get it as support. The sellers could not get it down there. 26% upside is in play. This is one of the few things we've seen on the daily where your stochastic is fully reset. Let's just say you only get up to your 200 daily moving average. You're sitting at a 16.5% upside. And then if you get a pretty good run to your overhead resistance, that is 932. That is a 26% upside move. If it starts going a little crazy, you might see it at 1037. But if it gets buck wild out here, 1430. So, yeah, Chiliz is still deeply on the radar. I like that it reset on the daily for the stochastic. Relative strength still kind of high. You're in the bullish control zone. Checking your 4 hour. Your 4 hours pointed straight up while you're hitting resistance. So you're going to look for a break and a back test. On that back test, that's where you know. That is where you know. But if it just blasts through, that's going to kind of suck because everyone's going to miss the trade. Everyone's going to miss it outside of the people who are pumping these prices. Looking at your 1 hour time frame, you can see this demand line here has been respected, and now we're breaking to the upside. So Chiliz is set up for glory. We just don't know when the true glory is going to come. But I think if you have a stop loss below the 704 level, you might be sitting pretty for some solid upside. Solid upside. Let's check and see how our FTM trade is doing thus far. It hasn't really moved. We're still consolidating, which sucks. But is what it is. We're going to try and make money on this overnight. Thanks to this 4 hour time frame giving us all the feel goods. All the feel goods. Since we're in the Fs, let's check out Filecoin. Filecoin is still on my radar. Hopefully it's on yours too. We are respecting the trend line. We're respecting it. Breakout is imminent, or even a test. So from back where we saw it over here, We currently rose up slightly. We got a little bit of a pullback. No biggie. We just got a golden cross on the 4-hour. That's really nice to see. If I zoom in here, you can see that too. Golden cross, baby. And the stochastic is fully reset. This thing could get moving. What? I wasn't allowed to? We can try me in there. Maybe blow up the mattress just in case. But we can try me in there. Yay! Damn. Alright. Love you. Good night. Alrighty. Wife's going to sleep. But Filecoin looking really strong, looking like a breakout could be happening sometime soon. This is a big deal breakout, everybody. Big deal breakout. Because you break $4.13, $5.47 coming in next. I don't know why I have this up here. Let's check the daily. Why do I have that there? No idea. Let's check the weekly. Well, that thing's there arbitrarily. We're just going to get rid of it. Oh, that's... Nope. Nope. No idea. No idea at all. None. Wow. No idea. But yeah, so Filecoin. I think this one's going to surprise a lot of people. Also, something you guys should know. This is the accumulation range for Filecoin. Keep that in mind, because with the accumulation range, you hit it once, you hit it twice. This is your third time down here. For this bull run, I think this is going to be the last time you see these prices. So gather up your Filecoin now, because pretty soon we could be back at $17. Pretty soon. So for the swing trader out here, you're looking for that break of $9.81. You get that, you are straight back up to $17. But this is the range that you accumulate in, down here. So keep that in mind. By the way, guys, I want your input. Should I start making more videos on accumulation ranges and things like that for swing traders? I'm just curious. Would you guys actually find that interesting? God, my eye. I like getting the feedback from the community, you know? I haven't looked at FET in a while. Oh my god! Your 200 weekly is sitting at $23.80. Adam, that would help? You would like that? Alright, alright. At least we got one vote. I like that. All what I'm doing is very interesting. Nice. I appreciate that. Yeah, I was confused this morning. I ended up seeing that Klaus token. It was trending #1 on CoinMarketCap. So I was like, let's make a video. Screw it. Yeah, it's like one view. It's a terrible video apparently. So I'm never doing that again. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Those were some bad sneezes. Oh. But yeah, what was I about to do? FET. That's what I was about to move into. I'm interested to see what's going to happen here. Very interesting. Let's clean this up for a second. Let's clean this bad boy up. Oh. Well, FET looking good. Learning TA is my interest. Okay. I'm learning a lot, Stefan. I'm glad. I'm actually really happy you guys are learning from this. That makes me legitimately happy. All right, FET is it's set up greatly to go up. You are bouncing off of your 50 simple moving average in a consolidation zone. This is a really big deal. Let's go ahead and check out how did C what? What? Oh, C98. I got stopped out last night. It was terrible. It was absolutely terrible. Didn't do a damn thing. It fell right back in with Bitcoin. What a consolidation. What a consolidation. How's that Halloween Caspa coin doing? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I said it looked interesting. I did not buy it. Once again, I don't think that it's like big time meme coin season. I'm not buying these things I'm looking at. I'm just looking at them. Shopping around, if you will. A couple months ago, you would have been speaking a different language. Now I'm starting to catch on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, a couple months ago, I was bearish as shit. My viewer count was 1. Like, nobody was around. Because I was like, oh, we're going down. Oh, price is going down. Nobody likes to view in when you're sitting here saying prices are going to go down. As soon as you say, oh, yeah, I think it's going to go down by 15%, everybody's like, well, tune out. I'm done. It's like, damn it. I didn't want that to happen. No, on the for real, guys, right now, FET is set up right on top of support, and your upside right here is 54%. I took more Ponky tonight. What's Ponky? No, I just found you. I just mean learning TA. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. What's Ponky? Is Ponky a crypto? I think this is the one that's going to make money tonight as well. What the fuck? All right. FET. 54% upside is the target. You are holding support with low stochastics. It's a meme coin? Oh, gotcha. Even if you went with just the fib retracement, you played it by the book. You have 2 targets now. 2 whole targets. You are holding above your 1.7. Never would have been liquidated at the stop loss. This is great. Will flip XRP. Mark my words. Dogecoin will flip XRP? Hey, probably, honestly. XRP is, I know there's a cult, but for some reason, that cult does not buy their own token that often. It's kind of sad. FET, 35% to 54%. Danny V, also welcome to the channel. Hopefully you're having a fantastic day, and I hope your trades are going extremely well. If you want, check the description down below. Join the Discord. Join the community. Also, liking and subscribing is a great way to support. All right. So FET AI, look, Jesus Christ, this thing looks really good. Is it gonna? All right, your 1 hour looks terrible. The 1 hour is terrible. You need a stop loss below this wick here at 133.9. Of course, too much dilution with XRP, right? Oh my goodness gracious, yes. Everybody's like 5.8 something. It's 500 something. 586, something like that. I don't know. I forgot what the number was, but oh my god, awful. Just awful. I almost fell for the hype 1 year. Almost did. Not even going to lie. Luckily, I came to my senses. Oh, shit. Yeah, got FET. God dang. FET is looking so darn attractive right now. Especially on the 15. Why? Why you gotta do this to me, FET? This is some bullshit. It's when I see charts like this that I start getting really bad FOMO. And then I wake up in the morning and it's like down here. just stopping out everyone. But it's like you're just now starting a new uptrend. The problem is you still have a demand line, but you set one high, you set a higher high. Maybe you get that breakout of 149. Once you get that break, I mean, off to the races. But yeah, fetch. Are AIs coming back? Is there some 3M maybe? Yeah, 3M has earnings this week. Maybe it's them. I don't know, but damn. That looks really good in my opinion. My opinion and only opinion. Never financial advice. Never. My eye is doing really bad. Really bad. Honestly, FET looks better than FTM. I hate to say that, but FET actually looks better than FTM. I had some FET for the 3X back in March. Nice. Runner Zinc, what is up? How you doing? My eye. Good God. I don't like it when my eyes are irritated. It like, ugh, drives me nuts. What do you guys think about FET? I think FET looks really good, honestly. In all honesty, I think it looks really good for upside. It's this 4 hour. The 4 hour is what has me just like, oh my god, it looks so good. Been looking at some coins. Runners Inc. Chillin' Mondays are for buying. I mean, yeah, that's true. Mondays definitely for buying. You are right. Yeah, I think this is actually a trade setup that I do need to post in Discord. So I'm going to do that right now. And you all saw it here first. What is this? Why is it popping up on that screen? Stop it. Why isn't it? Oh god. Yeah. Save right there. That never sent? Oh my god. I can't believe that never sent. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Send it. Send it. Just joined Discord? Well, welcome in. Sophie XO, welcome in. Sir Naptime, welcome in. I'm trying to send you guys waves. Hopefully they sent. They did send. Alright, alright, alright. By the way, anybody new to the channel, please drop a sub if you're on YouTube. Drop a follow if you're on Twitch. We stream every single day, and we're all trying to just make $1 out here. Trying to make $1 go longer than your gas prices, all right? Hopefully we can do that this bull run for everybody. Hopefully. Got on Discord also. Love it. Also, guys, if you ever have like a request for any chart, there is a tab for it. It literally says chart requests. Drop your request. I will check that thing out. Even if I have to give you a screenshot on my phone, I will give you all of the info as soon as I see it. So, definitely worth dropping in your requests. And then if your request looks good enough, I'm going to make a dedicated video just for you. Out here just trying to drop value daily. Just trying to drop value daily. Filecoin started to move. Okay, market's starting to move. This is good. This is good. Also, FET. God damn. Seriously, FET looks so good. So good. My guy called XMW last month. Been running. What's XMW? Let's see. Let's see what XMW is. XMW. FET going up, bro. Oh, yeah. I really do think it's going up. USD. Is this thing? Okay, yeah, it is. Perpetual contracts. I don't want the perpetual. XMR. Is that a stock runner? What's XMW? Took the trade and up 20%. That's what's up. That's what's up. See there, Stefan is going to turn into my golden child. Check on Dex. No, runner, not doing that. Not at all. Especially not today. Not doing that. You only like BMW. You know, it's funny. Everybody asks me, like, oh, when you make X amount of money, what kind of car do you want? It's like, it's the same one I want now. I just want the Dodge Ram 2500 turbo diesel in the night package. That's all I want. And the worst part is, I don't care how much money I have. I will never spend $91,000 on a car. I won't. Ever in my life. Nope. So, you know, I'm waiting. Now the prices came back down to like $79K. I want the auto market to feel the pain. I will buy that thing when I can get a brand new one at like 68, maybe 65,000. That's what I'm looking for. There's no damn way trucks should have ever gotten over 100K. For a truck? Are we for real? That was disgusting what was happening during the pandemic. That was absolutely disgusting. But yeah, runner, we did the whole deck screener yesterday. The only way I'm going to open up a deck screener thing, it's $5 dono. There's no way I'm going to even try to chart those things. Maybe I'll check it out later. Maybe I'll check it out on CoinMarketCap. But yeah. I'm riding a Ram, bro. Nice, nice. Love it. Right? I like GMC AT4. White and black. 90K too. 90K. I don't know what the AT4 looks like, but yeah. The audacity. It's like, what the fuck? I don't think people understand what I want to use my truck for. I want it for hunting, family road trips, and destroying shit. Alright? I don't want to be like, oh my god, I'm going to have to replace the side panel. No, it's a truck. It's meant to be used. It's meant to get dirty, get some dings. Ugh. Look it up. I'll look it up. I'll do that. You own an FJ Cruiser. The Ram is from the company. Okay, FJ Cruisers, for the longest time, I was like, that's the ugliest car. I can't believe anybody would buy that. I think it's a terrible thing. And then all of a sudden I saw it go off-roading, and I was like, well, you have my attention. That was a vehicle made to be used. That's all I can say about it. Made to be used. That thing is crazy when you go off-roading in it. I didn't even know it was so strong. I honestly was impressed. I was honestly impressed. Alright, we're seeing FET starting to get those bids. Goodness gracious. Looking good, though. Looking damn good. What's going on in here? What's going on in here? Runner. Let's see what you got. That's XMU. Oh, okay. Nice. Good little chart. Love to see it. Thanks for sending the picture. That helps a lot, actually. Because I was going to be like, later on, what was that thing? And I'd be looking at, like, my chat later. And, yeah, it would have been hard to find. So thanks for sending that image. Good looking chart. Just looking for another pullback. But that looks good. You're still playing around the Ethereum network, huh? You wild. You wild. Ethereum network. God, the fees. The fees keep me away. I have a 2007. I have a 2007 since 2007. And you've not spent 5K on repairs all this time. Wow, that's crazy. The XXX keeps me there. Wait, what? That's a lot of X's, runner. What do you mean? what? What you mean, bro? All right, FTM starting to get its run up as well. So it looks like we're going to have a very green night. Thank you, Asia. We appreciate you. So just a recap on the trade setups we jumped into. Well, I jumped into FET. I saw FET late, but we're in FET. Or we're in FTM. So FTM on the 4 hour. This is what had my jollies going. We have a current breakout. You can see from the last time we had a breakout. Nice run up after that back test. Hopefully we don't need a back test here, because if we do, that back test is probably going to be down here at 7233. So hopefully we don't need a back test. Hopefully we just continue up. And yeah, I'm looking for 12%, but this thing can definitely run up to 92 cents. And that would be a 23% upside move. Asia got that stimulus. Asia does have stimulus, but, you know, their economy is toast. 10x profits, runner, that's where it's at. 10x, get that 100. And I always, me personally, if I get 100x, I am selling that thing faster than I can even look at my wallet. It's like I'm just pulling up sell. I'm like, where is it? Where is it? Sell the shit. Sell it. I don't want this. Sell it. So yeah, that's how I act whenever I get 100x. I'm selling it so fast. Everybody's like, it could go higher. I'm like, I don't care. I got 100x. I don't care. Dogecoin starting to catch the bids. Also, 4 hour wants to push you straight up. So on this run, which could happen, you could see another around 28% possible. You got 100x and didn't sell. Oh, didn't it sting? Runner, didn't it, like, you saw the 100x, you're like, oh my god, this thing can go forever, and then all of a sudden you're like, no. I don't think I would make it to 100x. You'd be surprised on some of the meme coins, because you'll see it go up one day, you'll forget about it for a month, you'll look at it because you see it on Twitter or some nonsense, then you're like, oh, I should probably check my, oh my god, and then you sell it. You got 100x, didn't sell. 3K to 200K, or 2 to 200. Wow, you didn't sell at 200,000. Runner, I'm gonna give you your degree in diamond hands. It comes with your own dunce cap. 200K from a $2,000 or $3,000 investment, and you thought, I'm gonna wait. You're still up. That's good. That's good. You're still up. But what I would have sold. My Doge trade. Yes. The target is still 18,124. Still there. Still waiting on it. Coin hasn't been through a bull run. I understand what you're saying. But yeah, as soon as I see those 100Xs, out. I'm out of there. Guys, I'm over 2K, 346%, and waiting for the 18 cent. Stefan, good. Wait for it. Catch those bids, baby. If the market gets hot, you might actually see this happen in the next day or two. Just because it looks like the next leg higher. 23% upside at a Doge, easy day. You could flip that 200K into a better trade. I don't know, Rich. You don't want to gamble with all that. You don't want to do that. Bought Doge in August. Still in spot. Nice. Let's see where it was at in August. August of last year? September. Wow, you got the gains. You got from 6 cents. You're over 100%. Not bad. Not bad. Look at that. Could just buy BTC. I mean, that's true. You could just buy BTC. That's fair. But why would you do that? Why would you do that? I would buy something more like Kava. I'm still holding Kava. I've been holding Kava since last year, and look at how disappointing this thing has been. My average cost, I had to DCA. I had to. My average cost right now is like 60 something cents. It's terrible. But we are in the depths of hell with a rounded bottom on the weekly. This has some upside potential. For the swing trader out there, this looks like a dream come true to get back to $1.26 possibly. Let's see. More than, why do I have the wicks? What am I doing? Candle closes. All right, $1.20. That is the dream right there. $1.20. It's going to be extremely hard for me not to sell my position at $1.20. It would be 100% gain for me because I'm sitting at like 61 cents, which, frustrating. Because this leg down, I did not really expect it, nor did I foresee it, but it happened. But yeah, no, when it comes to accumulation, Kava's amazing. It's actually amazing where it's at. Hello and good evening, Bullish Bradley. How you doing? So yeah, for swing traders out there, if you're looking for a dream trade right here, this is the dream. Checking out your daily on Kava. Also holding some E-Gold. Nice. E-Gold's weird. I just randomly see it like up 25% one day, and I'm just like, what happened? And then it's just, it was bullish. What? Cool. Okay. Yeah. Like, it's so strange to me. So, in the extremely short term, you're expecting Kava to get an absolutely gorgeous 220% upside. Come buy your bags. Exactly. Come buy your bags here. Buy your bags here. We finally retook the 50 and the 100 simple moving averages, which is phenomenal. So from 36 to 46 cents. I mean, even this tiny little move right here, you can still see a 26% rise for Kava. So Kava, what this thing is, I think it's on the Cosmos ecosystem. It's basically, it's for staking, really. This thing, you'll normally see it go up a lot when it's a bullish time in the market because everybody starts focusing in on how can I make passive income. You just start staking your tokens and you get like daily rewards. So then all of a sudden you're like, oh, cool. How much can I get daily? And you see some crazy people. They'll get up to like $10,000 a day and it'll last for 2 months. And I'm like, seriously? So now I want to be one of those guys. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward to Kava and seeing what it can do. Let's check out E-Gold, actually. I haven't looked at that chart in a long time, so let's look at it. E-Gold. Where's E-G? There we are. There we are. Oh, E-Gold looking like it's in your accumulation range also. Get your bags here. This is a second test. Wait, this is actually a really big deal where E-Gold is. We're going out to the weekly. We're going out to the weekly. This is actually a really big deal. Holy shit. Testing it once is nothing. Testing it twice, really big deal. GOAT in half day went 100%. Bro, I looked at that thing last night before I went to bed. It was up like 35%. I was like, are we serious? I need to rechart E-Gold. I need to rechart this. Sorry, everyone. Bear with me for a second. Bear with me. All right. We had a pocket of liquidity here that it respected. Oh, my God. What? I mean, for the swing trader, you're focused in on $67.25. Swing traders, spot traders, whatever like that, you don't even think about taking profit till $67. What? That's crazy. Right, you asked if I bought the top, and it's right back there. Hey, good. That's good, Rich. At least you're at a break even point. We'll check out Goat. We'll check it out. All right, for the day traders out there, for the short-term traders out there, let's get some levels out. So these look like your main levels you're going to be looking at. You bought 2,500 worth in mid-20s. Mid-20s. Dang, bro. Nothing big. Well, runner. This percentage that you're looking for before you even think about profits. You're looking at, from this moment in time, 146% upside. That's what you're looking at. No, I sold at a loss last night. You sold at a loss last night? Okay, Rich, when I talk about trades compared to like your spot buying, we're in a bull run. You don't take losses. Like, we're in a bull run. Don't take losses. If you notice it's extremely high and overextended, take profits, then look to buy back in. We don't take losses in a bull run. We just wait. What? Never take losses in a bull run. That is rule number 1. Never take losses in a bull run. Ever, ever, ever. All right, I'm doing this as like fan service to the traders out here. Adam 500, hodl, exactly. Basically, it's like my Kava trade. I just DCA'd, and I'm like, God, I've been holding this thing for nearly a year. This sucks. But last year, it was the start of the bull run. We don't take losses in bull runs. We just lock up capital forever. Or at least what seems like forever. All right, we got 2 demand lines here. Looks like we're about to break one of them. I'm with you on that. Yes. So E-Gold looking pretty darn interesting here. Looking like E-Gold wants to get a breakout soon. Oh, shit. And you're already at a level. So what is likely to happen? You will test this demand line once again. You're more than likely going to break out of it. You could wait for a back test, but you could get a 15% rise to your weekly demand line. Now, after you get some form of pullback, some form of consolidation, or you just go straight up to it, you could get 20% to $32.75. Looking pretty darn good, but if you break that $32.75, $44.96 is your next target. You might find a bit of resistance. Right around this trading level, because you can see how it was support and then it was resistance. So you might hit a little turbulence at 37.27, but that's only a light resistance. Maybe you hit it, you come back down for this solid back test. If you're not already in the trade, get in there. 44.96 is the target. Zoom out, bottom of the K, about to capitulate. Best of luck to you. You think E-Gold's about to capitulate. Interesting. We started on the weekly. Are you sure not anonymous 1-1? Because you tested it once, you tested it twice. You're holding support. What was once this support is support again. First time, nobody knows. Second time, everybody knows. We're low on your relative strength on the weekly. What? What do you mean? Did I see the address I posted? No. I do not see an address. It was all you had left at bonk dot like $50. Wait, what? I don't know what bonk dot is. bottom of the K. I don't know what you mean. I do not know what you mean. I don't know, man. I don't know. Also, you're finding higher lows. And some people can confuse me. Holding till after summer, probably 2025 October, depending on cycle. Holding this one that long. Nice, nice. Yeah, I see nothing but upside here. You regarded this level as support so many times. And now you're finally uptrending. I don't see a capitulation happening. I see nothing but upside. I see this as a golden buying opportunity for eGold. Just my personal opinion, though. You know, Anonymous could be right. Anonymous could be right. I mean, we only just retook the 50 simple moving average. He could be right. Well, yeah, Rich, I can't see any address that you might have posted. What time is it? 10:30. 10:30. We were gonna look at Goat. I don't think I put it in my watch list yet, so Goat. Goatius Maximus is pulling back again. But that daily candle, bullish engulfing candle, what? Okay, so that level 25.752. Oh, you're talking about Kava? You think Kava's going to capitulate? Interesting. I don't know. That rounded bottom. I don't know. But yeah, I definitely need all the luck on that one. I've been holding it for too long, and I DCA'd. 1 a.m. Oh, yeah. That's late, man. Sorry, I thought you were talking about eGold Anonymous. That's my fault. I was unaware. I tend to forget about my stream delay also. But yeah, Goat on the daily, that was a crazy move. You almost found support down here at 15,609. That was where I entered a short and got absolutely dog walked on that one. Literally, we opened and got stopped out of the trade live on stream. What is that 4-hour candle? Sorry, I'm losing my mind looking at this. That is crazy. However, we do have a lower high. Lower high, so maybe Goat is ready to consolidate a bit. Maybe. That lower high is actually what I do like to see when it comes to a consolidation. So let's wait and see if it breaks out or if we consolidate longer. But that was a crazy wick for the 4-hour. Absolutely insane. What was that? Runner. What chart is that, Runner? It's a good looking chart. I just don't know which one it is. I gotta go. Have a good night. Best of success with all your trade, guys. Stefan, best of success to you. Hopefully you keep on killing it. Appreciate you stopping by. You're awesome. You're a legend. And we'll catch you tomorrow, hopefully, as long as you're around. eGold holds and take profit. Oh, gotcha. So you just marked out the same thing I did. Nice. Love to see it. As long as you're taking advantage of this market, that's all that matters. All right, if I'm being honest when it comes to Goat, I would love to see it test 25.75.2 one more time. I would absolutely love that because all you did, you kind of broke out of it here, you fell. You found support. I want to see you do it again. Do it one more time. Like I think the Backstreet song or something. Whatever that. No, it was Britney Spears. Hit Me Baby one more time right there. That would be fantastic. Then I would be like, this is very strong support. And we could see a lot more upside. But since it is so new, I need a lot of confirmation. The fact that you can futures trade this on our affiliate weeks is kind of disgusting. So, yeah, definitely check it out. If you need a new KYC free and no VPN exchange, it's in the link down below in the description, or it's in the Discord in the exchange links. Check out Weeks, WEEX. Really helps support the stream. Also, it'll support your wallet because you have a chance to trade and make money from it. All right, shameless plug over. Chili's is still moving. Still moving up. From where we looked at it, we're up right now. If we can get that break at 7:45, this is going to be a wonderful trade setup. Absolutely wonderful trade setup if we can get it. I'm going to be a little angry if I wake up tomorrow and there's no back test, but it looks great right now. Great right this second. Let's go back to Kava and see what he was talking about the capitulation, and he could be absolutely right. Anonymous could be absolutely right. I'm just hoping this 4 hours saves my bacon, okay? We're looking for the 4 hour to save my bacon. Now, let's go ahead and jump out, zooming on out to the weekly. Yeah, the weekly stochastic looks like absolute dog shit, not going to lie. Crypto Naughty, hello, how are you? So, the stochastic on the weekly looks like absolute dog water. Looking at your relative strength, it's okay. You're in the bearish control zone. Not that bad. It's not that bad. Could it capitulate? Yes, it could. I still think because it's rounded, we're going to see something weird like a break and then a back test of this lower level, break, back test of this higher level, then it can get going. Just my personal feelings. I'm totally biased because I am holding it. So I have to give myself some hopium. Please don't dim my shine. Okay? Anyways, checking out your daily time frame. Yeah, the daily just retook your 50 and your 100 simple moving average. So lots of hopium here. The only thing that would give me more hopium is if like we have some weird hidden bullish divergence on the daily or something. What is that? What is that? Looking for winner to break out soon. We'll check that out next. But you can see on the relative strength here, you got a low. Is that a slightly higher low? Is it? Is it? Low, slightly higher, baby. That's what I was looking for. All right. We're there. Hidden bullish divergence is confirmed. In the depths of hell. Smells like trolls farts down here. Possible upside. Possible upside. With a very, very modest supply line. Very modest. So even if we bounce around in here, very modest supply line. I'm giving myself all the hopium for this trade because I have too much in this token, if I'm being honest. Way too much. And it's been locked up for too long. So it is what it is. Now, let's go on out to WINR. What is this? Winner Protocol. Winner Protocol. This is on MEXC. People are... What the... Runner, am I looking at the right thing? Hold on. What? That looks better. Okay. I guess we have to look at MEXC because what the heck was that? Poloniex claims it has the most volume? What? Whatever. I'm not going to dive into it. That just... Oh, God. What? Oh, that's the breakout you're looking for, eh? That's the breakout you're looking for, runner. I see it. I see it. I see what you're talking about there. That would be a pretty decent breakout right there because, I mean, your next level is just sitting right up here. 5 cents. Okay. Guess you have a pocket right here. A little pocket of liquidity there. Okay. Yeah, MEXC. Yeah, Poloniex looked ridiculous, dude. I think you did just get a breakout. Yeah, you did. And now you're finding a lower high. That could be bad. Hopefully you don't turn around right here. Hopefully not. But yeah, this was your demand line. Easy 5x, all-time high is 15 cents. Nice. I have no idea what this token is, so I will not weigh in on it one bit. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. Since there's leverage trading on it, probably gonna go up. For the trader out there, you are looking to get up to 4681. I think all will run in bull run. You're right. All of them will run in a bull run. You are right. They all will. Oh wow, this thing's gonna break out soon. 4-hour stochastic reset off of literally nothing. So this thing could break out very soon. Sweet. Sweet. No, I don't look at the 2-hour ever. I don't do that. So what you would hope for is a breakout within the next like 3 hours. Is it 3 hours? Yeah, like 2 hours. And if you get that breakout, I mean, yeah, you're looking at 5307 next. From there, it could keep going. I think sky's the limit after that. Maybe somewhere at these peaks, 8.3 or something. Yeah, somewhere around here, 8.3 after that. So interesting little chart here. I like it. I like it. Alrighty. Well. Caspa's up 2.49%. Casper getting some bids. That's nice to see. I think Caspa deserves a lot more respect than it's getting. So I want to see it up. I want to see it up a lot. Anyways, guys, I am going to call it a night. We actually got through all of the different tokens we were talking about here. We didn't really have too many requests today, but we did check a lot of different tokens. So let's just funnel back to Bitcoin real fast. Let me check FET real quick. Looking good. FTM higher than FET makes me happy. All right, let's cycle back to Bitcoin real fast. So just my final thoughts on Bitcoin. It does look like on the 1 hour we could still see a pullback of some sort. Maybe we get back up here and we test 68.083. Maybe. I don't know. But all I can see is we had a fall. We had a low. We had a back test. My address isn't showing for you. Weird. No, it's not. Maybe it's because I have a pop-out chat. I don't know, but I don't see it. Maybe I need to get rid of the pop-out chat. Live chat, top chat. Let's get rid of the pop-out chat. Now you're in regular. Can I see it now? I was asking for Miro on Ethereum. Oh, I'll check that out right before I go. But yeah, so Bitcoin, it does look like Asia's trying to rally it. Maybe we get a higher high, back testing this little consolidation level. But I'm still thinking we possibly are going to come down to 65.8. That would be my lows. That would be the area where I think, hey, we're going down. But noted, if we can get back above 68.176 and we hold it as support, well, 70K next target. 70K next target. But we're going to see what we have in store in the coming days. Let's see Miro ETH. I posted the address 3 times, but there must be something blocking it. Oh, it could be something to do with this laptop. Because remember, I'm not on my PC. My PC is kind of cooked for some reason. I don't know why. It's just not working. So I'm on my laptop. I'm on the janky setup. And I don't remember what settings I have any of my bots or anything. So there's that. But where's the end? Miro ETH. I'm actually kind of interested to see what this thing's doing. I saw it was like rallying like crazy one day, and it's so new. It's so new. Oh my god. Well, you just have higher lows. That's cool. Higher lows. That's what we have to work with right now. You have some overhead resistance right there. And right here. A little bit of resistance there, but I don't know if that's like real resistance. So let's go down to the daily. Let's check this thing out. Daily looks interesting. Looks like we have a confirmed breakout of a demand line, which is nice. Maybe that's what that rally is. It? Hold on. No, it's not. So it looks like we're trying to break out of this little demand line here. That's kind of cool. But since we do have some levels to work with, you could see if we backtest 6517, then Nero's good. Nero is good. It's great. I mean, good consolidation here. Absolutely great consolidation. So let's just say it comes down here and tests, which would be amazing. And let's also say if it doesn't. I mean, 71% upside to your overhead resistance? That's disgusting. Oh, we got some weird small resistance here too. What the? So we have a little pocket in which price could get hung up. A little pocket. Price could get hung up somewhere in there. You being below this little box is a problem. So naturally, since you did backtest it twice bearishly, I'm gonna guess you're gonna come right back down here, 6517 to 5003. If you're anywhere in this range, might be a good opportunity to jump in. If you get above 9947, I mean that'll be great too. You have an extremely modest supply line here. Extremely modest. So now you're just looking to see what happens when you break out. Are you going to go or are you going to pull back? Not sure. Not sure. 4 hours indicating you're probably going to test that demand line again. You have your moving averages curving down. You're going to find resistance off this 50 simple, most likely once again. But the fact that you're trading sideways while your stochastic is going up on the 4 hour, that's not the best. That's not the best. It does indicate you could see more downside. Let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour, same indication, could see more downside based off your stochastic. Let's see, what's your 15 doing? It's high. It's very high, but your 15 is the only thing giving you hope. From a fib standpoint, you'd be looking at something kind of like this. Something kind of like this. You already hit your 618 once. Actually, you hit it twice. You got up there twice. Maybe you come all the way up to a 50% retrace. Maybe you get that 382. Maybe. If you can test that demand line, awesome. But you could be coming straight down to 742 or 6517. Bonk looks primed to take off. God, you guys aren't going to let me go, are you? What is this? Oh, my wife. Alright, we'll check out Bonk real quick. But yeah, this one, it's kind of sitting in limbo. You're in no man's land. So you're going to wait until you're either testing a demand line, a resistance, or trying to hold a support. So you're kind of in limbo. I'd say just wait it out. And then go from there. Let's check out Bonk real quick. Thinking Bonk's prime for takeoff. You are holding support right now. Hold on. Hold on tight. Let's go out to the daily. Go into the daily. Going back to the daily. I hope. We're running into issues. We're running into issues. Oh no. I blame TradingView for this one. Reload. Yes. Why'd we go to SHIB? Who would have thought? Here we are at Shiba Inu. What was that? All right, bonk on the daily. Oh yeah, bonk. Oh god, yeah. Uh huh. Look at the supply line. Look at that. You're sitting right on top of your 200 daily simple moving average. You're holding support right now. Yeah, yeah. I mean, we were looking at bonk all the way back here when we broke out and back tested. We were looking at it back here. But now, yeah, definitely primed for launch. Bonk, we could see a rise of 31%. Runner, good call. Good call. Let's go down to lower time frames real fast. Real quick, like 4 hours ready to run. Are you serious? You have nothing stopping you. You have nothing stopping you. How much accumulation do you need? It's a meme coin. Come on, brother. Your 1 hour. 1 hour's acting like a butthole. Am I done? Not quite. Yeah, your 1 hour's kind of looking like a butt, but you could be going up. Your 15. A lot left to be desired on those low time frames. So we're gonna have to wait and see for bonk. I mean, you even have this weird little demand line here, weird one right there, that it's like, oh, well, maybe we can break out and back test, but it's just chugging along. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna get on out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming out. If you guys are new to the channel, please drop a like, maybe even subscribe. Check the links, join the Discord. Discord's a great place to stay connected with the community and get any requests that you have. Other than that, take it easy. Check out the exchange weeks. It's fantastic for you. And let's all go get some gains. I'll be dropping a YouTube video hopefully tomorrow. If I can record it, we're going to do that. Thanks. Have a good night. I will. Thank you, Runner. Peace, Rich. You guys take it easy. I'm getting off. Signing off. I'm going to sleep. Deuces, everybody. Deuces. I appreciate each and every one of you.